How to set up Google Analytics on Wix website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how you can set up Google Analytics on your Wix website that you are creating. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will go to Google Analytics and you have to create an account on Google Analytics and make sure that you set up everything you need. You need to have an account on Google Analytics and get a code from your profile that you have. Once you have an account on Google Analytics, I will show you how to connect it and how to set it up on Wix. So you just select the website. I have selected this one and it will open up the dashboard for me. This is my dashboard right here. And you can see I have this panel. I'm going to scroll down to marketing and SEO. It has different marketing tools for us and different integrations. So once you are in marketing home, you just have to scroll down to marketing tools. In marketing tools, you will get marketing integrations. I'm going to click on it. And there you go. The first option that we get, the first integration we can add to our Wix is Google Analytics. Discover where your visitors come from and what do they do on your site. And I will be connecting my Google Analytics with my Wix now. So you just have to click on connect and then you will just add your Google Analytics ID or the code that you have and connect your account to Wix. Keep in mind you can do that if you have a premium version of Wix, if you have a plan. So if you're using the free plan on Wix, then unfortunately you won't be able to add Google Analytics. But if you have it, that you can just go to the marketing integrations and find Google Analytics and connect it to your Wix, and this is how you can set up Google Analytics on your Wix website. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.